Hey guys, welcome back to another Green Forum video. In today's video, we're talking about Mint Mobile and how there will be some changes to the unlimited plans and all the plans that they offer. So let's get into it, guys. Of course, it's Mint Mobile, which runs off of T-Mobile's network, which actually just got acquired by T-Mobile. So basically, yes, they were using already T-Mobile's network, but they were an MVNO, and of course, Ryan Reynolds. Everybody knows him from Deadpool. He was a big stakeholder in the company, but now, of course, with Mint Mobile, to get these prices, you have to buy 3 months worth of service, and that's how they get, the price low. So the thing about it is, being like a Costco or a Sam's Club bulk buying, you will get a cheaper price. And these prices are pretty cheap for what it is. So let's get into it and see how it works. So, of course, these plans do not go in effect until April 14th, guys. So just be worried about that. But I'll show you how it is right now. And it says Mint Mobile. So it says premium wireless, $15 per month. Nationwide coverage for less. Of course, like I said, it runs on T-Mobile's network. So just make sure that you do get coverage in your area. It says new activation and 3 month plan, required taxes and fees, extra additional restrictions apply. So it says we'll help you find the perfect wireless plan. You can take a quiz and it'll just kind of help you determine how much data you use and what you might need. So of course, introducing the modern family plan, affordable plan for everybody. Like, so we're not gonna really spend too much time on that, but it says our secret sauce says 5G for free. So you do get 5G for free. You do have to have a compatible 5G device. No extra overhead, because of course, they don't have any stores or anything like that, or salespeople. It's just straight up direct to you via online marketing. And of course, like I said, Ryan Reynolds does a good job doing all this stuff. Flexible plan options and BYOE, bring your own everything. So bring your own unlocked phone, and you can use it with them, or you can purchase a phone. So now here it is, new customer offer. It says our new customer offer lets you try us for 3 months at our lowest possible price. So you can try them out for 3 months, but these are the prices that they have. So of course, here we go, guys, and I'll show you, these are the current plans. I'll show you what the new plans will be. So of course, these are all 5G and 4G LTE data plans, as long as you have a 5G compatible phone and you have 5G coverage in your area. So 4 gigs is, or should I say, for $15 a month, you get unlimited talk, text, nationwide coverage, uses 5G or 4G LTE, whichever is stronger, and you get 4 gigs of data. For 20, it's going to be the same thing, but for $20 a month, you get 10 gigs of data. For $25 a month, you get 15 gigs of data, and for 30, you get unlimited. Now you might be saying, "Wow, for 30 bucks, unlimited?" No, guys, there's some fine print down here that will look. So it says unlimited plans, customers using more than 35 gigs a month will experience slower speeds. Video streams at 480p. So basically, their unlimited plan, which is kind of like Boost Mobile and all that stuff. 35 gigs of data is what they consider unlimited, which if you think about it, for 30 bucks a month, that's pretty cheap. And 35 gigs is plenty. Me, on average, I might use 12 to 15, maybe 20 on the top end, because I have Wi-Fi at work and home. So 35 gigs should be plenty for a lot of people. Now, if you don't have Wi-Fi at your house or your job, 35 gigs, you'll blow through that pretty quick. And of course, like I said, no HD streaming. You need a capable device. Coverage not available in all areas. Taxes and fees to apply. So it's not included like T-Mobile or Metro, I believe. So now let's go into what the plans change. Here's a couple notes. So it says starting April 14th, that 15 gig will increase to 5 gigs instead of 4. So you will get an extra gig of data. For $20 a month, it'll increase. Now that we're getting better. For $20 a month, it'll go from 10 gigs to 15 gigs. So that's a 5 gig increase, which is really nice. 5 gigs is pretty good. For $25 a month, it'll go from 15 gigs to 20 gigs. And from for the $30 a month plan, remember you need 3 months of purchase these plans for 3 months of a bundle. It'll go from 35 gigs all the way to 40 gigs of data, which for 40 gigs, guys, is plenty. Now, of course, all of this, basically they're going up 5 gigs. You're getting an extra 5 gigs up free for the same price, guys. So that's really nice. It says hotspot allowance increased to 15 gigabytes up from 5, and I believe the 30 gig unlimited plan does let you use the full allotment, so you can use the full 40 gigs of data for hotspot. But then remember, that will use your data. But all the other plans, you would only get 5 gigs of hotspot. Now it goes up to 10 gigs. So basically they up all the plans 5 gigs of data, which is pretty nice, I would say. Not bad for the same price. So of course, to get these prices, 45 is for 3 months of service. That's how you get that. For 3 months, it's $60 a month. 75 if you do this, you get 25, and then $90 for 3 months of service gets you the 30. So you will have to purchase, like I said, 3 months of service to get these plans. So yeah, it might be a little, for some people it might be a little tough. $90, but remember, you're getting 3 months of service. It might not for everybody, but it says bring your own family, 2 or more lines starting at $15 per line. So not bad at all. Limited talking text, free calling to Mexico and Canada, which is nice. Free 3-in-1 SIM card, high speed data, free mobile hotspot. Says use your data however you like, even where coffee shops don't exist. 5 gigs of mobile data hotspot on unlimited plan. So it is going to go up from that to 10 gigs and Wi-Fi calling and text. So not bad at all. You can also check your coverage there. But overall, that's about it. What do you guys think? Is this something that you guys are thinking, especially now that T-Mobile has bought Mint Mobile out? Of course, Ryan Reynolds says he will stay on board to kind of help, but this was kind of his thing. He did do a lot to bring them out, and Mint Mobile is starting to branch out more, I believe, into like Best Buy and maybe Walmart. But I think Best Buy is where I've seen them, and like I said, they don't really have that overhead expense where a brick and mortar and all that stuff. So basically, everything's online, guys, and word of mouth. YouTubers or celebrities will basically bring out Mint Mobile out to you guys. By them just saying, hey, try out Mint Mobile, you get this and that. So overall, I think it's great. Like I said, if you don't mind bulk buying the data, you will get a cheaper rate, which is pretty nice overall. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. For me, like I said, 35 gigs would be okay. The 40p streaming for me is not okay. I like to watch, like I said, anime and YouTube, and I like to stream at higher definition. Of course, you can if you're on Wi-Fi, but just overall data, just pure data, 40p would not be that good for me. So I don't know, Mint Mobile for me personally wouldn't be it. But maybe for some of you guys, it will. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to check out the description below, you can check out some stuff that will help me out. So check it out. Like I said, it does help the channel out. So be a supporter, help out. Thanks so much.